Hiya, it's me, Natalie or Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Nails. And if you're new, my name's Natalie and I like doing nails, reviews, hauls, anything to do with nails. They're here. And if you're not subscribed, click on the subscribe button and join the Glam fam. So, this is just a quick video really. I've done these 3 nails and I've given them all 2 coats of Serious Black, which is nail nails. And then I've matte top coated them. So the first thing I'm going to do with this, well, the first thing I've got is this, and if you know, you know. So I'm just going to try and, like, what's the word, you know, activate some bubbles. Put plenty of washing up liquid in this. So now I'm pretty sure this is what you do, but I haven't done it in a while, so I could be wrong. It may not take as well as I anticipate. So I'll just turn the lamp on so it's ready. So I'll give it a, well, I'm going to try it with base coat, and this is where I could be wrong. And then I'll give it a, I mean, like I say, if it doesn't work, oh gosh, I put way too much on there. Oh, flipping out, Natalie. That's got a fluffy in as well. Oh, it's all happening now, isn't it? Let's just check. Gosh, didn't realise I put that much on. Anyway, but that's just base coat, nail base coat. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some of these bubbles to the wet base coat. And like I say, if I'm not doing it right, then tell me in comments. And if it doesn't turn out right, well, we'll see. It's really hard to get the bubbles on though, not gonna lie. And also, what you've got to do, you've got to be fairly quick to get the bubbles on and keep them on. So we'll try, because I want to get them all over. Perhaps I would have been better using come on. I would have been better using I want to be quick with it, but I don't want to. Can you see it's a bit, do you know what, we'll just go around like that and see what happens. Even if we don't get perfect, I'm not too fussed. I'd like to get it all over. Right, let's see, got it on. Right, I'll pop that in for 30 seconds, or 60 or something. And you do have to be fairly quick with the bubble thing, because otherwise you won't get the effect, I don't think. But yeah, I saw them and it looked great. I thought, oh, I like that. And I've seen it done before, but it's a long time since I've seen it done, so I just thought I'd give it a little go. Let's have a look. Have we got some bubble effect? Is it? Well, I can feel it. I can feel it. Now, let's just get off. Let me try and get off the. Yeah, got some bubbles on. Yeah, it's worked. Can you see? I've got some bubbles on. That must be how you do it then. So that's had a base coat. Now, would it work any better with top coat? I don't know. Because I'm not putting anything else on this now except some of these chrome powders. It's really cool. I think I'm putting a bit too much on actually. There's something a little bit less. Don't want. Yeah, that's better. It's not as. I'll try some of the green. A bit of the green. I think if you're doing this, less is more. You know what I mean? Then what I'll do, just want to take that off my finger, just try a little bit of this silver. Perhaps I'd have been better using one of the applicators with it rather than my finger. Well, we're going to find out. I just want to put some silver on. Let's just try a little bit of this silver. Oh, yeah, I think we would have been better using the applicator, maybe. Can you see? That would have been better, wouldn't it? Hey ho, never mind. Let's just try a little bit more green. It's not really that, yeah, the applicator's much. Hope you can see what I'm doing. By the way, that little box, I'm pretty sure, well, I think I've said it before. I don't know if I got it from Model 1. And I'm pretty sure it is Model 1, that, you know. Or, let's just try a bit green, a bit pink. I don't really need much more of that pink on, do I? I'd like a bit more of the green, to be honest. What do we think, ladies? Do we like this? I think it looks really cool. The only thing is, I would say, if I'm being very critical, I put a little bit too much of the pink at the top. It's quite cool. Now, I just want to make sure that I have no glitter left on that, so I don't want to get any glitter in your bottle. Right, we're going to go for it. But if I do lose the effect, which I think I will, it's a learning curve, isn't it? Oh, maybe I won't. I honestly thought I'd lose the effect. Look at that. I thought it was going to look awful. Now, what do we think? Do we think it's lost the effect or not? I think I should have had more bubbles, but you can see it at the bottom, can't you, where the bubbles are? You can see it. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do another one. I'll put that into Cure. So this one, I'm going to use this A110. Came in a set from Temu, and it went A01 to A110. I'm going to use this. So the first thing I'm going to take this white. Get it off. Yeah, it's still good. And I'm just gonna use these here. Where's my steps? Like this. I just want to pick the stars up. Oh, it'd help if I took the lid off, wouldn't it? I just want to pick the stars up. I only want the stars, can you see? I could use me, and I'll pop them. Galaxy nails, that's what I was trying to think of before when I said, you know, nails, sky nails. Galaxy. Oh dear. You know, I honestly, I amaze myself sometimes, things I come out with. Right, I'm just going to go for... this one here. So, should have used my roll, lint roll really. What other one can I use? I think I'm going to use this one with the mirroring on, just to put at the bottom. I'm getting lazy, I've not got my lint roller. It's a very faint moon, but it should work. Not very good moon, that is it. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll apply some of these. Yeah, because that's still got a little bit of pink in it. Apply some of these colours, this pink, this green, maybe a bit of this. Let's just go for it. I don't think you'll see it if I do it in this colour, you know. I think it's still has a bit of silver, aren't they? Silver. Trying to keep it as light as possible without it going overboard. And we'll do a little bit of the pink. Hopefully this will work, she says. Right, just mend these out the way. Don't know if they're going to work or not. There are actual powders you can buy for, yeah, that's okay, for She Modern, their own, yeah, that's okay. They're quite good, I really like them. So I'll just move that and that out of the way because I don't want to, just give it a top coat. Yeah, it's just a nice quick little video to show that technique that I saw making bubbles, but honestly you'd think I've done like 20 nails the way my desk looks at the minute. I'm not going to go all fancy with loads of crystals or anything, just wanted to show you that. You might have seen it before, I don't know, but I think it's a cool look. Especially, you know, Halloween coming up and, you know, autumn and winter, Halloween. I'm just going to get all this off. Honestly, I make such a mess, I really do. Oh, just wreck me top of me. What have I done? Never mind. I need to clean my jelly stamper off and clean everything else off, and then I'll come back. I'll be back in a minute, guys. So this is what we've ended up with for my what did I say? What do I call them? Well, you know what I mean. Night sky. What do they call it? The words, it's gone right out my head. So these are the things that I used, you know, and some bubbles. There. So to get that effect, I used a base coat, and then I applied the bubbles to the wet base coat and put it in the lamp. Galaxy, that's it, Galaxy nails. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. Yeah, so I broke my nail, as you can see. So I have 9 and 1 missing. It is what it is. Yeah. Let me know what you think, guys. And like I say, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And you know, you'll get notified then if you subscribe of new videos, and it helps me. So yeah. Hey, can you see that's got that? I've done a bit of pink there, it's followed on there. If it had just been a bit lower down, it would have kind of like, yeah, I never thought about that, but never mind. But yeah, I think, yeah, it was definitely I'm saying a lot, sorry guys. It was definitely on Facebook that I've seen her, watched her doing it, and I thought, oh, it's ages since I've done galaxies or anything like that. But I do like this effect, so just let me know what you think. I mean, once you've mastered it, you know, if you've done it a few times, I reckon you could get quite good at doing these like that. And I've got a feeling they're going to be a bit popular then for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah. Oh, I quite like them. If they weren't so long, I'd probably wear them myself. I am going to do my own nails at some point, maybe. I just don't like doing anything in case I get... Anyway, I digress. So yeah, if you like the video, like I say, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, like I say, subscribe and join the Glam Slam Nat Nails fam. And I hope to see you next time. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. Take care of each other. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.